Again, it depends on how clear you are in terms of what you want to do. If you're very, very sure that you want to do a finance or you want to be in a particular line, it's very good to go for a sectoral MBA. But if you are thinking that you want to be much more in general management, I think it's better to go for a much more of a generic degree where you get a full understanding of not only finance but operations, marketing. But it really depends on how sure you are in terms of what your future goals and your career path is. MBA was about exploration. It was about really trying to understand all the different avenues. So for me, a general MBA definitely made more sense because it gave me some understanding of what is finance, what is marketing, what is operations, what is strategy. But if I had been much more clear that no, I wanted to work in an investment bank somewhere, maybe I would have chosen a specialization much more in finance.